they down here.
They on some bullshit.
Yeah, they down here shooting and shit, right?
Nah, they down here jumping that man, bro. I'm gonna go over here. Because I don't want to go to jail today.
Who jumped him?
Brittany, Bermuda.
For 2 rounds, right?
Now he wants to leave. I'm giving the fuck. Yes, he is.
Hey, why y'all jump that man, bro? Why y'all jump him?
Jump my fucking man in front of his fucking kids. That's a bitch.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro.
One-on-one, you punk bitch.
Where they stay here?
You know, they still been working over here. You jumped my fucking husband in front of his fucking kids. You bitch.
Is the problem this? What's right? You're working.
I mean, fuck them.
It's working.
So y'all work here? Y'all don't even stay here?
Mexican.
This from here.
They throw nails over here.
The prop. It's my face.
They're nails.
Why you
One,
fucking
two,
jumping him in front of his kids, bro?
And you think that shit's cool?
Where y'all, hey, what's y'all company name? Where the card at? We need to call somebody. Who y'all work with? Who y'all work with?
No, you didn't help.
Who y'all work with, bro?
Did that shit from my fucking kids?
They own his house.
They own his house?
They own his house.
The fucking other lady does. They're just working on this house. They have no business over here.
Damn, bro, y'all sat here and jumped this man in front of his fucking kids, bro.
Y'all jumped him. Y'all jumped my nigga. Y'all jumped my nigga in front of his fucking kids.
Hey, did y'all call the police?
Yeah, I just did. This is it.
Yeah, y'all full of shit, bro.
Y'all should have just broke it up, man.